Okay, karibu tuendelee kumalizia swali letu namba 5. Swali namba 5 tuliishia kwenye kuchora graph. Kuchora graph na kisha tukaindicate slope this way. After indicating a slope, swali linatutaka tuchore graph. Swali linatutaka, after plotting a graph, swali linatutaka tutafute value of A and B. Value of A and B. Okay. From the slope is calculated by taking the change in t squared by changing in cosine theta. So here at this point here it is 2.1 minus this point here it is 1 dividing by this point here it is 0.9 minus this point here, this is 0.14. Here we have 1.1 dividing by 0.76. On calculation we have 1.447, which are approximately 1.45 second squared. So this is the slope of a graph. But from the equation says that t squared is equal to a cosine theta plus b. So then by comparison, by comparing the slope which have been determined and the slope of the equation, a slope is equal to a. The slope is equal to a, which is equal to 1.45 second squared. So the value of a is equal to 1.45 second squared. How can we determine the value of b? How can we determine the value of b? How can we determine the value of b? Value of b can be obtained from the t-axis. This is the tunaiona kwamba this is the intercept on the t-axis. So from the graph, a graph is here. If we can direct here, t-axis intercept is equal to 0.8. So b is equal to 0.8 from t-axis intercept. So we have the value of a and the value of b. Then evaluate the value of a over b. So a over b here is given by 1.45 dividing by 0.8. 1.45 dividing by 0.8. Here we have 1.80 na values zingine zinaendelea. So approximately this is equal to 2. 1 over 4, a over b is equal to 2. Okay. The units cancelled out. Since this is the second squared, this is the second squared. So units have been cancelled out. After then, determine the value of g. Value of g. How can we determine the value of g? The value of g can be determined by using the y-intercept or by using this one. By using the slope also, you can determine the value of g. By taking 4 pi squared y over g is equal to the slope, you can determine the value of g, or you can determine the value of g by using this one. So by using the value of the intercept from the equation, from the equation 4 pi squared h is equal to g over g is equal to b. This is the intercept of the graph. So b we have 0.8, but h, this is the distance we have given 20 centimeter, which is equal to 0.2 meters. A distance here from the center of the bulb to this point, it is 0.2 meters. Whereby the distance from this point to this point, it is y. So from here you can use this one by using y is equal to 40 cm, ambayo tuliambiwa ni urefu mzima ni 80. Kwa hiyo tukigawanya kwa 2 tunapata y is equal to 40 cm. Unaweza ukatumia 40 cm then ukatafuta g, ama ukatumia h which is equal to 0.2 meter. So if h is equal to 0.2 meter, here we have pi squared times 0.2 dividing by g is equal to 0.8. Making g a subject, g could be equal to 4 pi squared times 0.2 in terms of meters dividing by 0.8. This could result into 986 centimeter per second squared. So this is equal to 9.86 meter per second squared. It is the value of acceleration due to gravity. Kwa swali letu linakuwa limeishia hapo. Naomba kama umeipenda hii video usisahau kusubscribe, lakini bonyeza alama ya dole gumba ili uonyeshe kwamba kweli umeipenda. Lakini kusubscribe itakusaidia wewe kuipata video yako pindi pale tutakaporusha video, utakuwa wa kwanza kupata video zako. Asante.